So we've joined Greg on the Arc'teryx stand. Hi, Greg.
Hi.
To talk about the new iteration of the Alpha SV, which is Arc'teryx's oldest original GORE-TEX shell, and now it's in a new Gore Pro fabric, and there are various refinements. So do you want to sort of talk us through what you guys have been doing with the new iteration?
Sure. Yeah, so for fall 20, there's a couple new options for GORE-TEX Pro. In the past, there's only been one membrane technology.
Yeah.
So in fall 20, there's three technologies now. There's most breathable, which is very similar to what existed previously.
Okay.
And then there's most rugged, which is more differable, as the name says. And then there's stretch as well.
Oh, wow.
So,
okay.
Yeah, so we're focusing on two of those membranes for fall 20. We've revamped our whole line, so every Gore Pro product in our line is a new redesign.
Right. Right.
And then just talking a little bit about the history of our relationship with Gore.
Yeah.
So we started working with Gore back in 1995, and then launched our first Alpha SV back in 1998.
Right.
And ever since then, we've evolved it and improved it, and just learned a lot through the whole process. Worked really closely with our warranty and after sales team to see what the failure points are, and then design those out every iteration. So they just continue to improve.
So it's get better and better.
Yeah, get better and better. So just going back to previous generation Gore Pro, we had a couple of challenges. We were seeing some come back from our warranty and after sales team.
Yeah.
We talked to Gore about this, and they said they weren't seeing the same feedback from other customers. We're not totally sure why we were seeing these returns, but we think it's because we might have the most demanding customer that expects the most out of the product, and our price points are high, so we want to ensure that the product lasts as long as possible.
Yeah,
so
that's good.
Our history with Gore is we always challenge Gore to do things better and differently.
Yeah.
So one challenge we had for them is how can we make the Pro membrane more durable?
Right.
So we worked back and forth. They sent us a bunch of samples throughout the years, and they wouldn't tell us what sample is what, and they labeled one H. We kind of had this working name, Preparation H, which is a hemorrhoid cream. So I won't go too in depth about that, but so this sample H continued to show is the best in terms of contamination resistance, bond strength, just overall durability.
Yeah.
And that's what became of Gore Pro 2.0 Most Rugged.
Well, okay. Yeah. So you guys have had a strong hand in the development of the fabric technology.
Yeah, so lots of testing back and forth with Gore. Our office is essentially like a mini factory, so we can build everything in-house and get it in the field in a couple days. So
fantastic.
It's a really quick process. And then just our application of Gore Pro. So we've shifted significantly to most rugged for most breathable. So all of our pants in fall 20 are most rugged. And then our jackets, we've shifted quite a bit to most rugged. And then we have some hybridized designs. We'll pair most rugged in those kind of next to skin contamination areas. And then most breathable everywhere else.
Cool. Oh, that sounds sensible. Yeah. Interesting.
So for fall 20, the Alpha SV, definitely more of an evolution than a revolution. Really just trying to refine as much as we can.
Okay.
So continuing with the same face fabric, N100PX, it's our most robust face fabric. As this intended use is for harsh alpine environments for climbing and ice climbing. Want to keep that going. Just some nice refinements. So TPU zipper pulls, just really refined look. They don't ice up like cord. Just really easy to grab. On the men's, we adjusted the hood fit, so it's a helmet compatible hood. You can still layer insulation beneath it too. So you've got the front adjustments and then two rear adjustments, and then continuing with the integrated cohesive. Just really easy to use, really ergonomic.
Yeah, definitely the best.
What else? And then one thing that we changed is previously generation we had an extra layer of pocket bag here. That's just due to oil contamination in body skins. We wanted to try to keep the outer membrane as durable as clean as possible. So it's not contaminating. So with the new membrane, we could eliminate that, which was nice. Just reduce a little bit of weight there and simplify the build. Cool. And what else? On the inside, no major changes. One nice thing about the new Gore Pro backer is it's a dope dyed technology. So dope dyed technology for textiles means that you dye the polymer. You start with the polymer and the color before you weave it. As compared to typical jet dyeing, you weave a material and then it goes through all these dyeing and finishing processes. The disadvantage of that is it uses a lot of water and has a higher carbon impact. So environmentally, an improvement on the backing material.
That's great.
So yeah, 2 internal pockets, thumb pocket, secured zipper pocket to keep your phone warm. Still have the custom cohesives in the hem.
Oh yeah.
They angle up just to keep the cord out of the way. But yeah, really just a nice evolution of what we had previously.
Yeah, looks like a really nice refined jacket. This.
Yeah,
fantastic.
Thanks. Yeah, and then we have both a men's and a women's version.
Great stuff. Oh,
Yeah.
thanks, Greg.
Thank you.
Cheers.